Hi, I'm Kunal Shah, Head of Commodity Research at Nirmal. We are going to talk about London Metal Exchange and how the delivery takes place on the Indian Commodity Exchange also. When you talk about London Metal Exchange, it is one of the oldest and one of the major commodity exchange in the world. It is the only European exchange which is providing delivery, and it has almost more than 500 LME approved warehouses in 34 locations in United States of America, Europe, and also in Asia. So it is one of the largest platform for delivering metals, and it has attracted over number of years lots of hedgers, lots of mining companies, and all the value chain participants of metals. It works in a very unique way. When you see the expiry dates are structured in such a way on London Metal Exchange that trader can select either they want daily, weekly or monthly contracts, and that is the beauty about London Metal Exchange. London Metal Exchange ever since 2012 has been owned by Hong Kong Exchange Clearings, and I think ever since then the liquidity has been improving in this exchange. The cost efficiency is also coming to the exchange. It is becoming more competitive every day. There are three main ways on which London Metal Exchange trading takes place. One is open outcry method. In that the outcry method which is a very old method, is still used in London Metal Exchange. Second is LME Select electronic trading platform, and third is telephone system. So these are the three ways in which the trading takes place on London Metal Exchange. As far as Indian metal market is concerned, MCX has made all the metals contract a compulsory delivery contracts, and the basis for that is that the price discovery on the domestic market should also take place. So in the last 5 days of the expiry, you have a compulsory delivery contract starting, and before that, people who do not intend to take the delivery or give the delivery, they generally tend to square off their positions, else they will charge, if they are defaulting on any of their obligation, they will be levied a penalty. The price polling is the main basis through which the price discovery takes place as far as the spot prices are concerned. And ever since then, ever since it has started, the volumes are picking up. India has a tremendous potential of delivering a lot of metals in the exchange, and the arbitrage and the hedging can be done effectively in order to manage the cost for all the large producers. So we see a great futures for the Indian commodity market, especially for the base metal contracts which are listed on MCX. Thank you very much.